Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing the Colourpop Lucky Bag unboxing with you guys. So as you can see, this bag is already open, and that is because I have already filmed this video and the audio was absolutely horrific, so I've had to refilm. So unfortunately I already do know what I got in this bag. However, I do think that the value of it was pretty decent and I really wanted to share it with you guys. So if you're interested to see what I got in my Colourpop Lucky Bag for 2019, please keep on watching. Okay, so if you guys are unfamiliar with what a lucky bag is, basically it is a Japanese tradition where retailers do up a whole bunch of bags for X amount of value, and you get usually double if not more value in the bag. So I think if you're somebody who likes a surprise, if you're somebody who, you know, enjoys that kind of thing, then this is definitely for you. If you're someone who doesn't enjoy surprises, then this is definitely not for you and I would not recommend it. But basically I spent $25 on this bag and I was guaranteed to get at least $50 worth of product. So without further ado, let's get straight into it and I'll show you what I got. So the first thing that I received was their brand new volumizing mascara. So I was really impressed that I received this product because it literally had not even launched when this bag was delivered to me. So I thought that was really cool that they included it. That's what the wand looks like. So yeah, I was really impressed that they included a brand new product in the bag. I think a lot of the time, depending on what the business, who the company is, there is always that risk that they might be trying to sort of offload products that didn't otherwise necessarily sell very well or what have you. So yeah, I was really impressed to see right off the bat a brand new product that hadn't even launched yet to be in this bag. I thought was really good. So that one there actually retails at $8. The next item that I received was a highlighter. So this one here is in the shade Pinch Me and it's their Super Shock Shadow Formula. Now I don't own a lot of Colourpop products, so this is why I really wanted to go ahead and grab this bag and just see what was in it, because I don't own a lot of the products and there was going to be a high possibility that I was going to get stuff that, you know, I could test out that I hadn't tried before. So as you can see, that is really pretty. Beautiful reflect. Definitely more, I suppose, on the iridescent sort of side, but I could definitely use that as a highlighter. I would also probably use that as a eyeshadow topper as well. As I was saying before, don't own any Colourpop highlighters, so very happy to give this formula a go. Okay, so next up we have a lip gloss. So this one here retails at $6. It is in the shade Champagne Mammy. Really pretty sort of peachy colors coming through that. So yeah, I will definitely get a good amount of use out of this because that's the kind of color I really do enjoy using, and I'm really into glosses at the moment. Next up we have a lippy stick, and this retails at $5.50 and it is in the shade Ziggy. So this is a little, I don't know if this is going to be a little bit on the darker side for me, but it is a really nice color, very creamy. I do own a few of these lippy sticks. I don't own this color and I do quite enjoy the formula. So that's what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? Like, that is a really nice color. I think I'll probably save that for more of like the winter time. But yeah, very happy to have received that color. Okay, so the next product we have, I'm actually wearing it right now because I just thought the color was so pretty. So this is Ultra Blotted Lip, and this is in the shade Doozy. So yeah, as you can see, that's what it looks like in the component. But oh, it's very pretty. It is quite drying, so it's not, yeah, like it is transfer proof. But yeah, I really liked the color, so I wanted to wear it. And I thought, well, may as well, I have to refilm this video, so I may as well put it on. And that one there retails at $6. Okay, so next up we actually have one of their Bullet Form lipsticks. Now this retails at $7 and it is in the shade Solo. And I have to tell you, I was really pleasantly surprised. I don't own any of their bullet style lipsticks at all. And this has got some weight to it. Like, it's heavy and it's sort of like, it has that luxury feel, which I was really surprised, to be honest. At that price, I thought that was pretty decent. And also too, I love how it's got all the detailing in the actual bullet itself. So you can see you've got stars all around the actual bullet itself, which I just think is really, really cool. So this color is probably a bit intense for me, if I'm being honest. It's more of like a blue red. So I might save this for like Halloween or like dress up makeup, because I just don't think I can get away with like a bluey red kind of color. Maybe I can, I don't know. But it does feel quite creamy just watching it. So yeah, very happy to have received it and to at least try out that formula. And finally, we got two Super Shock shadows. So these ones here are in the shade, we've got Party of 5, which is really, really pretty. It's like this almost duochrome sort of, it's purple, but it reflects some green with green reflect as well, which is really, really nice. And lastly, we have got Sequin, and it's just a really nice sort of browny color. So I think that's really, really pretty. So I'll definitely get some good use out of that. I don't mind the Super Shock shadow formula. I do own a few of them, but I definitely don't own these colors. So yeah, overall, I was pretty happy with my bag. The total value was $5. The total value was $50.50. So yeah, I did get exactly what I was anticipating. They did say that you would get at least $50 minimum worth of value, and we got just a touch over that. So I was very, very happy with that. And as far as all the products are concerned, I don't own any of them. So yeah, very happy to test them all out. They're all, for me, I think they're all extremely wearable colors. And I also think that these sold out pretty quickly. So they first advertised it through email, and then I think on Instagram, and I think within 24 hours it had sold out. So yeah, look, for what I got, I was pretty impressed. Will I do it again next year? Maybe. It depends on how I find everything. If I enjoy the majority of the products that I have here in front of me, I can't see why I wouldn't. I still feel like it was pretty decent value. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.